Yo, Niaje people, today on About to Eat, I'm going to show you the simplest cuts. We're going to place a wet towel under our chopping board to avoid any movement. These are the vegetables we're going to use. Always have a firm grip on your knife and form a claw with your fingers to avoid chopping your nails or your fingers off. Our first cut today will be the chopped onion cut. So cut the onion in half, remove the top part of the onion. So make incisions. The more incisions you make, the more finely chopped you'll get. So after making these incisions, just start chopping the onions. There you have it, a finely chopped onion. Our second cut is Julienne onion cut. Cut off the unwanted parts and start cutting from the side. So basically here your claw will guide you on how finely you're cutting your Julienne cuts. And there you have it, a J-shaped for the Julienne cut. Let's go to the next one. Our third cut is Julienne cut for carrots. Cutting carrots on a chopping board is always a hard task, so make sure you slice a part of the carrot to be your base so that you should avoid movement. So after you've got your base, cut or slice the carrot, and from the slices, cut mini slices. From the slices you cut mini slices. Which now the mini slices will basically be your Julienne for carrots. Yup. Our fourth cut will be the small dice cut. From the Julienne cuts you had, you just chop them off to have the small dice cuts. It's that simple. Our fifth cut will be the medium diced cut. Cut your carrots into small portions and then just trim the edges off. After you trim the edges off, you just chop off or cut off the medium diced carrots. That's it. Last but not least, our last cut will be the wedge cut. For the wedge cut the potato in half. Then place the flat side on your chopping board. So here you'll start cutting as per the size you want, and you'll start cutting from the side. After making a single cut, push the potato towards the board so that you can make another perfect simple cut. And there you have it, a well-sized potato wedge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.